How are you all? Hope you are enjoying your holidays. But along with the enjoyment, you should also study. Do you remember your phonetic song? Yes? No? Okay, let's revise once. A, B, K, D, A, F, K, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, E, V, W, S, Y, Z. Remember? And do you know, with these letters, you can also draw different pictures. So, let's start. Let's start with the first letter. Which letter is this? A. So let's see what we can make with A. Draw one more round. Eyes, mouth, two antennas and 6 legs. Can you guess what it is? Yes, an ant. Now the next letter, standing line, go up, turn towards your right. Which letter is this? B. Now we'll make a head, a beak, eyes, wings. Can you guess what it is? And 2 legs. Yes. Bird. Isn't it beautiful? Bird. Now the next letter. What is this? K. Now let's see what we can draw with letter K. Complete the circle. Go up. Then make 2 eyes. Mouth. Whiskers. Ears. One more circle down. And a tail. What is this? Cat. Now the next letter. Go up and come down. Which letter is this? D. Now let's see what we can draw with letter D. Guess what ma'am is drawing? Zigzag, 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 zigzag. And a tail. Legs. What it is? Dinosaur. Lovely. Now the next letter. What is the next letter? A. Now let's see what we can draw with letter A. Eyes. Big ears. Yes. What is this? What is this? Elephant. Yes. You enjoy? So what all we have learned today? Ant, bird, cat, the dinosaur, and elephant. Isn't it fun drawing? So you should try at home.